Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down. And I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. Today I have a special guest,
Diamond Denise.
She is here in town. I'm so excited. We came up with this look. So this is based off of one of our favorite 90s shows, which is of course The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, if you saw the intro. And so we wanted to do a Fresh Prince of Bel-Air inspired look. So this is the looks that we came up with, something really fun and festive. So if you want to see how we got these looks, then make sure to just keep watching the first half on my channel and go to her channel for the second half of it. Do you do eyes first or
Eyebrows.
you do eyebrows first? Okay.
I always do my eyebrows first because it's like, gotta have them eyebrows.
I do face first.
Do you?
And then I do eyebrows.
Using my Anastasia dip pomade, which is like my favorite thing to use in my eyebrows.
What shade do you use?
Medium brown.
Okay. I use ebony.
Ebony?
My hairs are really, I feel like my hairs are really dark.
Dark? Okay.
Yeah.
When I wear my natural hair, well, when I wear my weave, I use medium brown. But when I wear natural hair, I use chocolate. I don't know. I like it.
Yeah.
It ends up looking pretty good.
I'm just using my baby skin primer to prime my face. I only do like my T-zone area. So that's why I feel like it needs to correct any pores or anything.
Use baby skin? Yeah, me too.
Yes.
Baby skin is
It's good. I'm trying to think, what foundation should I use? I think I may use the Super Stay. The only thing is, it is a little light. I just got this one. And actually, no, because I'm going to take it back and get a dark shade. So I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to stick to my favorite. It's the Milani Conceal and Perfect in the shade Tan.
Which I have not even touched Milani.
Really? Oh, I love their... And I'm going to stop, like, after I'm done with this one, this is the last time I'm going to purchase. Because they are not really inclusive.
Really?
No. Not with their shades. Like, this shade is the darkest shade.
Really?
Yeah.
Isn't Milani like a black owned?
No, it's not.
No?
A lot of people think it is. No, it's not a black
I thought
owned.
it was.
Yeah.
So, Miss New York. How is that getting to like all the beauty stores? Because I feel like everything is so crowded.
Yeah, yesterday I actually went to Sephora and I took the subway. So it wasn't long because the subway like station track, whatever, is right down the street, like the one that I use. And so I take that and I just go like ride it 2 stops up. And it takes me right to the one I go to, which is in Times Square.
It's not your first time having to ride the subway, is it?
Here, well, since I've been here, it was the first time here. But no, when I was living in Chicago, we used to take the metro.
Oh, yeah, Chicago definitely has metros.
Yeah, we would take the metro sometime. But other than that, it's my first time like here. But yeah, it's really not that bad.
No, subway system is actually really like, what's up?
Yeah, it's very convenient. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige.
Ooh. Pure beige? Yeah, that's what I used to.
I use Pure Beige and Creamy Beige.
You mix them?
Well, whichever one I grab is the one that I use because they're really similar in shade. I feel like Creamy Beige is a little bit more pink undertone than Pure, but...
Using my Studio Fix concealer to conceal my brows. This takes the longest time.
What?
My brows.
Brows?
I always get
Yeah.
a fast forward time.
I've gotten to the point where I don't even like...
Do them on camera.
Yeah. Because it does take a little while. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour. Using my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette.
When did you first start doing makeup?
Oh gosh. I was actually in college when I started in high school, but it wasn't like makeup. Like I was doing like all these different colorful like eyeshadow looks, but I wasn't using like foundation or nothing like that. But I started doing makeup, like full makeup, in college. Probably like, yeah, probably like my junior year is when I really started getting into it.
Okay.
The junior going into senior year.
Same. I feel like that's the same. Because I remember when I was getting ready to graduate, I was trying to find, I had a friend that I worked with and she was really into makeup. And I was like, can you do makeup for graduation? Blah, blah, blah. And she was like, yeah. And I'm like, I really want to learn how to do it. In homecoming, around that time. So, what happened? We had like an event or something, one of those little things that they would, you know, they want us to come to during homecoming season. And I was like, you know, I'm gonna do my face myself because I didn't want to call her and get her to do it. And I was like, oh, okay, I think I got potential.
Yeah,
that's when I started too. Like that was senior year of undergrad.
I don't know when the first time I was like, oh man, I can do this myself. Like, I don't know when the first time it was. Probably, I don't even know. I really can't remember. I just kind of started doing it. Like I would start going to the Mac store a little bit more, purchasing stuff. Yeah, I mean, really, I think really during like election time for me was when I started wearing it a little bit more because I wanted to look a little bit more presentable. And so that's when I started wearing it more. And then of course my senior year I definitely wore it.
I'm using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot to prime my eyes.
Yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all know it's hot.
It's super hot.
The way we're filming in front of this window, I mean, it is 20 degrees outside, but it's probably like 80 in my house right now.
Okay. When I came over here, it was like, the thing told me it was like 24. I said, oh no, 20? It hasn't been that cold in DC yet, I don't think.
Oh, it's been freezing. Last night was so cold, like I was mad. That's how cold it was.
But the city is so beautiful, like, it's beautiful.
Yes.
Mind blown.
It's pretty dope.
I'm using my baby skin also to prime my face.
I'm about to set my face using the Patrick Star setting powder. I love this setting powder. Patrick came through. Patrick came through to this. You know what? Who I want to give a shout out to while we're doing this together?
Who?
I need to give a shout out to Stephanie. Because Stephanie is a true, loyal subscriber.
Stephanie is.
I see her on both of our pages, like true and loyal. So shout out to you, Steph.
Shout out. Here is her link.
Right.
To her, she doesn't have a YouTube, but to her Instagram.
Yes.
Y'all go support her and everything that she has going on. Stephanie is like the bomb.
She really is. Shout out to you, Steph. I was like, let me do that real quick because she really comes through with the support and will watch your whole entire video.
And leave comments.
Yes, every time. Like, come through, girl. Show these folks.
Advice, everything.
Yes.
Love her. What is your favorite 90s cartoon? That's what I want to know.
Yes.
Leave some comments down below and let us know your favorite 90s cartoon. So we also said that we were going to insert a word.
Yes.
So you want to explain like what we're going to do?
Okay, so what we're going to be doing is doing a giveaway on both of our channels. But in order to be considered for the giveaway, you have to make sure to watch both of our videos. And in the video, we're going to be having a code word. So for my channel and my video, the code word is going to be pineapple. And she will have a code word in her video. And so once you go ahead and comment both what our codes are, then we'll be able to enter you into the chance for a giveaway. So yeah.
That's what we're comment that word on her channel and my word on my channel.
Yes. So we will be doing a giveaway. Put it down below what my word is. Told y'all it's pineapple. Not saying it again. So make sure to go ahead and put that down below. Okay. I think. Oh, I didn't even. Do you cream contour or powder contour?
Powder.
You powder?
Yeah.
Okay.
I haven't used cream in I don't know how long.
Really?
Honestly, yes.
I actually do both.
Using my color corrector to cover the little dry spots I have. Do you actually do both?
Mm-hmm.
I haven't done it in so long.
I do both. I cream contour and I'll contour with powder and bronze up a little bit as well.
I feel like I'm low-key behind because
I
don't have nothing on my face.
Yeah, I mean, my face is the quickest. It's the quickest part. It's doing eyebrows and eyes. So.
True.
Who is up to no good? Starting making sure we my neighbor. I'm so horrible. I cannot like talk
Talking with.
and try to do my brows at the same time. You see, I couldn't even do it. Talk and do my brows at the same time.
I'm over here like trying to decide what color I want to use. Diamond, you ain't got time for these problems.
What shadows are you using? What palettes?
Let's see. I like this. So first I'm gonna use my Jaclyn Hill palette that I've never touched.
I was gonna say, okay, so you've never used it.
I've used it like once or twice.
Okay, I was gonna say, how do you like it so far?
So far, I do like it. I will say that much.
Okay.
But I barely use it. What color is this I'm using? Jazz, I guess. It's a Jazz on the second line. Oh no, I'm using Hunts. Yeah. So I'm using Hunts to go over my entire eye and in my crease. It's gonna be our first color.
Yeah, I said I wanted to purchase it, but
I was like, you know what, Diamond? Get it.
Yeah.
Get it. It's cute. It's kind of similar to the other Morphe, but it's a little different. The colors are creamier.
Those blues look really nice.
And these right here stood out to me.
Yeah.
That's why I got. So let me just go ahead and get it.
Those blues really stood out.
Oops. Y'all, if y'all hear anything, it's Kaden. Sorry, y'all.
Her nephew is downstairs. He's so cute. I told y'all it's hard for me to talk and do my brows. That's why I've been so silent. Okay.
Well, no, I need to say something too. I've been silent because trying to blend, and I don't like how I went a little up too high with this color, so I'm gonna just take off a little bit. I don't know. We had so many better cartoons, first of all.
Yes.
Growing up.
By far.
I don't even know what my favorite one was. Pepper Ann.
Oh, man.
Pepper Ann, Pepper Ann. Cool Pepper Ann.
Yes.
No one was cooler. No one was cooler than Pepper Ann.
None.
Nobody.
I'm trying to think. I was a huge Rugrats fan.
Yeah.
So I was big on Rugrats. Daria.
I don't remember Daria.
Really?
If you would like to see the rest of this video, please make sure to click down below to Diamond Denise's channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.